Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are unable to log into your Roblox account, do not panic. In this video, I will show you the correct and official way to fix this. First, open any browser on your phone or PC. Go to the official Roblox website. Now tap on the option that says I need help with my account. From the list, tap on Account Session Protection. Here, Roblox explains how to protect your account from suspicious activity. Take a moment to read this information carefully. This helps you understand why your account access might be blocked. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap on Contact Support. A support form will open. Enter your Roblox username correctly. Now enter the email address linked to your Roblox account. Next, tap on Device Type. From the drop-down, select the device you use, like PC, laptop, or phone. Now tap on Help Category Type. From the drop-down menu, select Cannot Log In. In the message box below, explain your situation clearly. Mention what problem you are facing and when it started. Do not add false information or spam messages. After filling everything, submit the form. Roblox support will review your request. You will receive a reply on your email within a few days. This is the safest way to recover account access. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.